Here it is, just simple French fries. Yet the French and the Belgians fought over them. They fried it in lard. They made films about it. One American even wrote a dissertation on the symbolism of fries as a social patient. Today I'll show you how to make perfect French fries. Crispy on the outside, creamy on the inside, and without any "oh no, it burned" moments. And yes, I'll show you how it's made in restaurants.
The part they never show you on TikTok.
Historians still haven't agreed on who was the first to fry potatoes. The French say it was us. The Belgians say it was us. But both keep arguing that theirs was tasty.
And the Spaniards just eat in silence and smile.
Because they were the ones who first brought potatoes from Peru. The Belgians used to fry fish for Christmas. And when there was no fish in the river, they fried potatoes the same way. And that's how fries or fries were born, before humanity managed to ruin them. And yes, the word fries is just short for friture, not the name of a French chef. Perfect fries aren't about potatoes, they're about physics and patience. The first secret is the variety. Not young, not waxy, but starchy. Young potatoes give a soft crunch, but we need
The sound of pure happiness.
It's very easy to cut potatoes using all sorts of modern gadgets. Today I choose this one. The second secret is soaking. The potatoes should rest in cold water for at least 30 minutes. Even better with a teaspoon of vinegar and sugar. Vinegar keeps a fries firm and sugar adds a light caramel note. It's not a life hack, it's pure alchemy. If you don't soak your fries, you are not a chef. You just fry potatoes and hope for the miracle. The first fry 160 degrees. The goal is to dry the potatoes, not brown them. They should turn soft, but not golden. First fry 5-6 minutes until tender. After that, let them rest.
Yes, potatoes get tired too.
Place them on a rack and let them cool down. If you fry them twice in a row, you are not just making fries.
You are composing a potato symphony.
Second oil 190 degrees. The second fry is pure magic. Let's do this. The crust caramelizes and the moisture inside turns into steam. And that's the moment when this sound is born.
Amazing gold color. It heals stress better than therapy.
Fries are salted in a bowl, so every stick hears the verdict personally, and not with regular salt. I make aromatic salt. Take 50 grams of sea salt, 1 teaspoon of dried garlic, and 1 teaspoon of dried rosemary, half a teaspoon of smoked paprika, and a bit of dried lemon zest. Grind it all up really well. Genius is ready, and now sprinkle the fries with our special salt. Oh yeah! If you want restaurant-level fries, after frying, drizzle them with white truffle oil or sprinkle with parmesan.
It's legal and it's delicious.
In Belgium, fries are a national treasure. There is even a French fry museum in Bruges. In Japan, fries are served with chocolate and ice cream, and that's not a joke. Americans eat about 13 kilograms of fries per person each year. In the UK, they say chips and crisps are what you call chips. The longest French fry was over 34 centimeters and made it into the Guinness World Records. The first deep fry was invented in France in 1795. People divide the world into two types. Those who eat fries with their hands and those who use a fork. Which one are you? Tell me in the comments. In my version, fries served with white wine. Hand-cut potatoes, double fried. Served with truffle aioli and parmesan shavings. Yes, if you fry them in the same oil from yesterday and eat a whole bucket. But if the oil is fresh and the potatoes are properly dried, they're less harmful than boredom. Sure, you can. Just don't complain when they turn out as soft as your excuses at work. Not necessarily. A cauldron or a deep pan is your best friend. If you've got hands, not just Wi-Fi. Fries are like relationships. If you don't let them rest, they burn out. If you overdo it, it turns bitter. But if you do it with love, it crunches perfectly. French fries aren't a side dish. They are a small form of happiness. Thanks for watching. A subscription like a French fries. A small thing, but it feels good.